how do we continue to break down obstacles that stand between you and how you create? That question drives us to design and build the best of the best in embroidery and sewing machines. Introducing Solaris by Baby Lock. We've developed new innovative features to make Solaris the most advanced single-needle embroidery machine we've ever made. Presenting IQ Visionary Projector Technology. Using a built-in projector, you will see how your embroidery design looks in full, vibrant color before you even begin stitching, saving time, material, and frustration. Stitch control buttons are projected near your design, allowing you to adjust your stitches in real time with just a touch of the stylus. The 10.1-inch capacitive touchscreen helps you navigate every aspect of your project. Take total control over your stitches, embroidery designs, placement, colors, and more. Your only limit will be the amount of thread you can get your hands on. We've enhanced Baby Lock's IQ Designer. Upload a file, scan in an image, or even draw directly on the screen. Solaris will digitize it instantly and make it ready to embroider. Scan in designs faster with a hyper-wide view camera. By covering a larger area and fewer scans, you're ready to stitch in less time. 8 high-powered LEDs illuminate every detail of the unprecedented 13-inch workspace to the right of the needle. Pair that with the largest hoop size in the industry, and you can work comfortably with larger designs and full-size quilts. Processing speed and embroidery completion time are 30% faster than any previous Baby Lock machine. Finally, with hundreds of options, including exclusive embroidery designs, decorative fills and stitches, fonts, and new quilting designs, nothing stands between you and your creations, all to enhance your love of sewing. Solaris. See what possibility looks like.